Hey, what's up everyone? Devon Digital here, and we're about to do a POV street photography with my iPhone 14 Pro today. So I hope you enjoy this video. By the way, I'm going to be shooting in 48 megapixels raw, and I'm going to be editing all photos. So that's what you get. So here we go. Let's get started. Right here, see how this can look. Whoa. All right, get down. Focus on that, get that car out of here. All right, I like this right here as well. I'm gonna get more so right here though, to get this shot. All right. All right, I like this building. Let's go ahead and get like part of this building here. I love my building shots. Yep. So with the iPhone, I noticed that it actually takes a little bit of time to process like my pixel. At first I thought it was a pixel thing, but I see that the larger megapixel count for these smaller sensors are a lot. So it takes a lot for them to kind of process them and stuff. So it's cool. I really thought it was a pixel thing, but I can see the iPhone does it too. When I hit the shutter, it takes a second or two. And then after that, it's ready to go. Let's get this sign. This sign is really, really boring, but whatever. Let's get this anyways. All right, cool. So yeah, but it's not bad. I think the Pixel takes like maybe the Pixel is like 2 seconds, and the iPhone is maybe 1 second or 1.5 or something like that. But not a real big deal. So that means just if you're shooting a subject that's moving, you might want to, time it, or hopefully you capture it or whatever like that, because the shutter is a little delay on it and stuff like that. So not a big deal. When I'm out here doing stuff like this, I'm taking my time, so it's not a real big issue. If I was shooting like my daughter or my son or something like that, I would probably just turn the raw mode off and just shoot away. All right, so let's go ahead and get this light. Got it. I'm gonna cross the street over here. Go ahead and get a street shot. That's how you do it. Get a street shot real quick. All right, so this right here is Martin Luther King Park, Junior Park right here, as you can see. Martin Luther King Junior Park. How you doing? All right, let's see. I like this. Let's go ahead and get this right here. But do I want the whole pole? I think I want the whole thing. Let's see. Nah, I think I just want part of it. So I'm gonna get up a little closer. And yep. Yeah, it's about a about 1.5 of a second delay. Nothing it's gonna kill the shot though. Let's get these flowers. All right. Knock onto that, get that natural depth. All right, I think I like that. Let's see if we get a shot of this bench. See if we can be a little creative with this. Don't know. Maybe use the flower as some type of depth. Then get the bench. Maybe this angle. Yeah, I like this angle. Not too sure about that shot right there, but if I like it, you will see it. If I don't, you won't see it. I like the colors over here with this. Let me see. Yeah, I like the colors. Sometimes I like to take multiple shots and stuff like that, not just one shot. Here's your boy, Martin Luther King Jr. I mean, come on, man. I gotta shoot this, right? All right, let me get you, bro. This ain't gonna be like a, hold on, let me see if I can make it a creative shot. But I was just gonna shoot it just to be shooting it. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Let's get all up in there, bro. Oh, it's tracking your face? Oh, it's tracking your face? Will portrait mode work? Will portrait mode work on a statue? It does. It does. That's good. That's crazy. Okay. All right, so this park ain't really all that that great. It's just a chill spot. Read some things, learn some things about Black history. Hey, sorry to disrupt this video, but I just want to tell you about my Lightroom / Photoshop presets. If you're into photography or mobile photography, I know it can be hard for some of you beginners out there to figure out where to start at and what's a good base when editing your photos. Well, I got you. I have 2 preset packs just for you that will get you started. All you got to do is click that link down below and check out the packs and go ahead and find which one works for your style and what you like to do. And in these 2 packs, you have over 15 presets to choose from to your liking. And just remember, these are a baseline start. So that means you might have to do a little bit of tweaking to the light based off your conditions, because all lighting conditions are not treated equally. So all of my mobile photographers, amateur photographers, professional photographers, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out those packs, grab your presets, and start editing. Anyways, let's get back to the video, everyone. Now, I decided to go ahead and shoot on the iPhone. I didn't bring my 15 Pro today. I brought my 14 Pro. 15 Pro was dead. I got it out the drawer today. It was completely dead. And this one was already kind of charged up a little bit. So I brought the 14 Pro. It doesn't really matter. Technically, they're the same phone. So it don't really matter. You're gonna get some phenomenal shots out of both of them, regardless. So next time I'll probably do my 15 Pro or whatever. But let's go ahead and get this real quick. So the camera that I normally use when I'm out here is my Pixel 8 Pro camera. I do this all the time with the Pixel 8 Pro. This is by far my favorite smartphone camera right now. At least here in the US, if you're watching this, I haven't used all the other Chinese phones. Import cost is just too much. But the Pixel is a freaking beast when it comes to photography. And I just prefer using this over an iPhone any day. But I had a few requests about the iPhone. They want me to come out here and do what I do with the Pixel. So it's just gonna show you guys that even if you're an iPhone user or shooter, you can still achieve phenomenal looking photos in RAW mode regardless. So go ahead and grab that. I like that barbershop sign. I don't want to use the 2X. I really hate using zoom on these janks. So they're in there. They're probably gonna look at me like, what are you doing, bro? All right, see if we can make something out of this right here. Maybe, or maybe not. Don't know. We'll see. What about these bushes? Let's get these bushes. All right, I actually like that shot. Yeah, I know it's tax season right now, so get those taxes. So I'm like downtown. News. This is like get that up there. Oh man, when I tapped the focus just now, HDR just went crazy out of whack. It keeps going out of whack. I hope the picture came out good. Let me see. Oh, okay, it came out good, but that HDR, bro, it went somewhere else. Apple is notorious for having not so good HDR, but I believe they fixed it on the 14 and 15. This is what we always say, but how true is it really? Yeah, how true is it really? Let's go ahead and get this right here. I'm feeling this memorial wall. Let me back up in the street though. Let's get this. Sometimes you just out here and you just be shooting random stuff. See if I can get this right here. Oh, I think I moved too soon. Nope, got it. I actually 100% like that shot. Oh, so you know what? While we at it, I'll get back in this light. Let's get a product shot of the Pixel. Let's see. Let's try it shooting at the sun, which is very horrible to do on an iPhone. Lens flare is crazy right now. But sometimes they can be a little bit creative. So hopefully I can create something out of that. So this is no lens flare. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. Like, one of the reasons I don't really like shooting with the iPhones is like skin tones and colors. Colors are too warm all the time and saturated. So, well, not really saturated, just too warm, not natural. So that's why I don't like shooting on them. Literally, when I was just holding my Pixel up, I could see that my hand was like really orange, and I was already bothered by that. But because we're shooting in RAW, it kind of don't matter. I'm gonna fix the colors properly. So it really don't matter, but that's one of the real reasons that I hate shooting with an iPhone. But I wanna say that the iPhones are really good, you know what I'm saying, for everyone. But if you shoot RAW, none of that matters really. Well, the lens flare still matters, but the colors don't matter. All right, let's get this shot right here. I'm gonna bust a wide angle. There we go. Let's get a little lower. Yeah, I like it, but I gotta crop it. I gotta fix it. The angle was a little off, but it's all good. All right, so I done walked way over here to shoot some random stuff. So let's go ahead and get this. You can see that lens flare is creeping up on me right here right now. Let's get this fire hydrant. Ooh, yeah, I like this shot. Hold on. Now I gotta get a stop sign in there too. I'm feeling all that. Hang on. Get that. All right, let's get it again. Got it. I'm creasing up my veins right now. Yeah. Wrong way. Y'all see those lens flare? Y'all can't see it. Should have been recording my screen probably. All right. Let's go ahead and hit this sign. Let's get up. This is this sign. Here we go. Perfect. Oops, I think I moved. Nope, I got it though. All right, let's try to get this. Shot right here. Boom. I like to do my famous gate shots. Focus gate. This is interesting because some of the problems that I had with my Pixel phone, I'm having with the iPhone as far as focusing. And to be honest with you, I always thought it was better on an iPhone. Guess it's the same. These phones ain't really that far apart from each other now. At least how I see it now. Sorry for the climb. This is a long climb. All right, let's get this sleeve. See? I think go. One last shot. Let's get this. So anyways, this has been Devon Digital, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace, everyone.